Let's prime the steering bar. And the sprocket. Okay, let's paint them white. Painting the engine cover. And it's going to be white with black stripes and drops. Painted it white. Don't let it dry out. Don't let it dry out. Just a little bit. Just when you painted it white, let it sit for about a minute, and then take your black, do the stripes like this or whatever design you want, and then you take a pad, you spray your paint on here, and then you just smash it on there, and the paint gets on there like this, and it just drops, which looks absolutely fire.